how to send Bitmoji story on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how you can send Bitmoji story on Snapchat. In order to do this procedure, first thing you have to make sure that the application is completely updated and that you're connected to an internet service. Now to begin with, go ahead and log in into your Snapchat account, and that's basically how the interface is going to look like. While you're on this page, click the search bar icon from the top, and here you need to go ahead and type in Bitmoji. Then you can see a list of suggestions. Then you can select either one of it. I'm going to go with Bitmoji stories, or I'm going to go with the true love feature, which is located right at the bottom. And in order to add it to your story, you can just go ahead and press on it in order to make changes with it, and you can tap the arrow icon and you can share it to your story. That's basically how you can add Bitmoji story. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.